Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In this video I am going to explain the another problem on discounted bill. On 1/1/2020, Ram sold goods to Shyam worth rupees 4,000 and drew 3 months bill on Shyam. The bill was accepted and returned it to Ram. The bill was discounted with banker on the same day for rupees 3,960. On the due date, the bill was dishonored. Past journal entries in the books of Ram and Shyam. A journal of Ram, journal of Shyam. First line in the books of Ram, 2020, January 1st. Ram is selling goods to whom? Shyam. Shyam account debtor. To what goes out? Goods goes out to sales account. How much? 4,000. Being credit sales. Debtor balance is increasing. Our income is increasing. Now, in the books of Shyam, January 1st, Shyam is purchasing goods from where? Ram. Purchases account debtor, who is a giver. Ram is a giver. Purchase expenses, our expenses is increasing. Ram is creditor balance is also increasing. Being credit purchases and drew 3 months bill on Shyam. The bill is drawn by whom? Drawn by Ram. On whom? Shyam. Same day. Bills receivable account debtor, who is a giver. Shyam is a giver. To Shyam account 4,000. Our asset is increasing. Debited. Being the bill drawn for 3 months. Now here sending the bill to whom? Ram, who is a receiver. Ram is a receiver. Ram account debtor. To this payable is a liability. Our liability is increasing. To bills payable account 4,000. Being acceptance given for 3 months bill. The bill was accepted and returned it to Ram. The bill was discounted with banker on the same day. He discounted with banker and collected how much? 3,960 rupees. 40 rupees is not collected. It is a discount. How much is collecting? 3,960 rupees is collecting on the same day. Our bank balance is increasing. Bank account debtor 3,960. Discount account debtor, how much not collected from bank? 40 rupees. To what goes out? bill goes out, bills receivable account 4,000, being the bill discounted with whom? With banker. No entry will be recorded in the books of Shyam because it's a transaction only between Ram and banker. Now what happens? On due date, the bill was dishonored. The bill is dishonored. There is no place for me. I am writing here top. Continuing here. Due date falls on 4/4/2020, April 4. What is this position? Due from where? Due from Shyam. Shyam account debtor. Due to whom? Due to bank because it is dishonor. 4,000. Being the bill dishonored. Here 2020 April 4th. Bills payable account debtor. What is his position? Due to whom? Due to main candidate, due to main person, that is Ram, to Ram. Being the bill dishonored. Which bill? Discounted bill dishonored. So like this, we have to write the entries in the books of drawer and drawee. I am concluding this problem. In next video, I am going to explain the another problem.